This is another reason why you're not getting good results when you're removing stuff from your credit. It's because you don't have a strategy. You're just sending letters and hoping that it works. You're getting stuff online. You get stuff from YouTube from like 10 years ago. These things do not work anymore. These methods do not work anymore. You have to stay up to date when it comes to credit repair. You need a specific strategy. I'll tell you a good strategy right now. One strategy is you can take the letters offline, but you need to really customize it. You can actually take it, write it in pen. You can write it in crayon, color, marker lot, whatever. You can spill coffee on it, put stickers on it. You can do it however you want to do it, because what you want to do is trick the system into sending your report to an actual person. You don't want it to go to just a manual computer where it's just going to read it and say verified. What you want to do is get it in the hands of a real person, but then you want to send it to them. After 30 days, you want to send them another letter called a 30-day demand to comply, which just says, it's been 30 days. I demand that you give me an answer on the dispute that I sent in. And then once you do that, you also want to do a CFPB complaint, which will take me forever to explain, but you have to look this stuff up if you really want to be consistent and get good results with your credit repair. When they come back and they say it's verified, because a lot of times they will, what is your method of verification? That's another letter that you're going to send out to them. What is your method of verification? In layman's terms, how did you verify that this account is accurate? Who did you talk to? What time did you talk to them? What's their name, full name, first name and last name? What number can I reach them on? I want to be able to verify this too. So that's 3 different letters that you can use right there, which will be in the span of 30 to 60 days. That can possibly get you some really good results.